Hey everyone, it's just be a very quick unboxing here of the Oral-B Pro 100. This one in particular is a cross action. I know, at least I bought this from Meyer. I think there's like 3 of them total that Meyer sells at least. They come to different heads. But I believe this is the cheapest Oral-B Pro series that you can buy. Correct me if I'm wrong on that. This one was, I think, 17 bucks. Then different heads will cost different prices, it looks like, at least at Meyer. I know one of the other heads was like $1 cheaper, but this one sounded the best to me. Alright, so if we can get this out of there. There we go. Nothing else in the box. Off to the side. So these are not rechargeable. These are the non-rechargeable ones. I think you have to go up to the 500 to get the rechargeable one. Alright, so you get, of course, the base or the toothbrush itself. This should somehow pop off. Actually gives you Duracell batteries, 2 of those. That is how you charge this, of course, or give this thing power. Not charge it, but give it power. And then, of course, we have the head itself here. And get a bit more light on there. Again, this one is the cross-action head. Again, it comes with a couple different heads. And as far as I know, you should be able to put pretty much any of the Oral-B heads similar to this one onto here. Alright, so make sure you put on this little yellow band thing. Just snaps onto there. This you just kind of push in and pull off. It comes off pretty easy. And the head should just snaps on, snaps off very, very easily both ways. And it does have a timer. You see there. So I believe this does 30-second increments for the timer. See, the back of it just says 2-minute coaching timer. So I'm hoping it does like the 30-second increments. 30 seconds, then stops for split moment, 30 seconds, so on and so forth. And then this being the Pro 100, does 9,000 revolutions per minute for superior plaque removal versus a regular toothbrush, manual toothbrush. So yeah, these are pretty. I mean, it's not a bad looking little toothbrush for 17 bucks. This is a little bit thick though, so I'll have to see how that is. I'm used to a Phillips, which is a pretty skinny neck on it. Yeah, we'll see how this does. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. That's what you get. So you get, of course, the toothbrush itself. Only has one mode. You get the 2 batteries, AA batteries, and you get the head, whichever head you choose. Alright, thank you all for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.